welcome guys. Got another cool video for you guys today. Yeah, very excited for this one. I know a lot of guys out there in the market at the moment are running these type of setups. There's plenty of them around. And just to give you guys an idea, this is actually a 2-liter 8-valve Golf 1 City Golf that made a lot of power. This single throttle on pump fuel with a little bit of liquid moly octane that's put on it when we tuned it, and it made a lot of power. So yeah, stay tuned to this video. We are going to give you guys the power reveal at the end of the video, and enjoy this one. Like mentioned to you guys before, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel as yet, please do subscribe. We're going to be bringing you more and more content like this, more educational content on management, cars, some tricks, tips. Even if you guys need assistance with something, you can contact us, touch base with us, engage with us on in the comments, and we'll try by all means to assist you guys to the best of our capabilities. So yeah, we're going to get into this video. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of this car. Going to speak to Carlos, see what he has to say, what's his verdict, what he thinks of this little machine. But it's a beautiful car. Very well taken care of, nicely built. Wasn't built by us, was built by someone previously, and now obviously the customer has bought it and he's brought it to us to correct and fix some of the issues that he was experiencing with it. Yeah, so that being said, I think let's have a look at this vehicle and see what it has to offer. Right guys, so I think we're gonna go catch him. Hello Carlos. Why are you looking so surprised?
Let's just catch him.
Yeah, we came to catch you. What you busy with? Yeah, tell us, talk to us. So you got a nice car, yeah?
Nice one, let's say. Oh, cracker. 8-valve. Classic this year. Customer of ours, he purchased this vehicle. Not sure who built it. We sorted out a lot of issues on the tuner, made some good power. Then a couple of weeks later, I think he ran out of fuel or something, and then all fuel pressures, everything went upside down. So yeah, we're just going through, sorting out the fuel tank stories, just going through everything, calibrating everything again, making sure everything's on point, and go through the fueling.
Yep, and I know a lot of viewers out there are gonna be wondering, because I mentioned it earlier in the video that it made a lot of power, and so did you now the second time. So tell us what sort of setup, as far as we know, that's in this car, and what kind of power did it make?
Well, the owner has no idea, and I don't really know what the setup. We figured out basically 288 float head, some decent compression, and your basic induction. We helped him redone it. It was all upside down and falling apart. Nice exhaust system. Yeah, so it's short intake. It's all the good components to make a nice little strong aircraft.
Okay, and fuel, what fuel, just to remind the guys at
It
home?
was running on pump fuel. We recommend, especially with work like this and 28 cam and everything, I recommend the guys use a bit of an octane boost from Liquid Moly. Works, use it on a lot of our setups. It just avoids detonation and yeah, just keeps everything at bay, and you can drive quite easily, not have to worry about slight pinging and hot days and then
100%. So just to elaborate there on what Carlos said about Liquid Moly, a lot of guys might ask, and yes, you can jump in the comments as well and let us know your experience, if you used it and how you feel about it. But we tuned a lot of cars, even my personal car, when we had an ABF, we ran Liquid Moly on pump fuel, and it works, it does a job. You don't get, I wouldn't say it's a power gain, but it just helps, like you said, would assisting to take away some of the detonation that possibly can happen. So I think Carlos is gonna just go through the fueling here, and we're gonna watch what he's doing. We're gonna catch him and see how things are going. But yeah, we are gonna definitely reveal the power on this car at the end of this video. Trust me, it's for a single throttle on pump fuel. This made a lot of power. You know, a lot of cars would ITBs, some of them on ETH and MET, made what this car made. Even we got shocked. So yeah, let's jump into it. So he's getting ready here. I think in our last video we explained what's this. This is our CO2 machine. I think this is one of our best tools that we could have when it comes to tuning a car. Like tuning low down on, you know, your part throttle, fixing idle, those kind of things. It really helps. So just to show you, it's got a long little pipe here that goes all the way into the exhaust here at the back, and it's obviously flowing the air through the pipe here to the CO meter. Yes, yeah, that's it. That's what a big cam does. Don't get fooled by that. And I forgot to mention, running Dicktator, trusted old Dicktator. What are you doing?
checking the calibration, the timing calibration between the laptop and distributor. And yeah, they've already fiddled here on the Dizzy. So I've calibrated it now, and she's all calibrated.
You're happy with it?
Yeah.
So Carlos busy making sure timing is all good there.
Give me a timing degree there.
See from the inside. Busy on the out.
Right.
25.
Yeah, spot on.
So he's happy with that now. He's happy with that. We're gonna just run through the fueling, check what it makes. I mean, how's the fueling, and then give it some power runs. Right. So while Carlos is busy there, we got G and Ethan here. Busy up with something. Let's hear what they're busy with here. Honey, say hi.
Hi.
What you busy doing? For which car?
For the racing car.
For a racing car.
Yes.
So G painted this car for us. It's our shop. Was a street car. Now it's full drag car. Still busy with it. Roll cage installed. Why you stopped?
Just want to confirm fuel pressure,
Yeah.
and you check some things. Not happy with a bit of the fueling on the top side.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. So Carlos busy there with the tune. He stopped. Wasn't happy, so he just wanted to check, go through the setup here again with fuel pressure and etc. Just to make sure. That's just a safety thing that he likes to do if he's not happy or uncertain about something. But yeah, we'll get back to this video now. Alright guys, so we'll be checking the fuel pressure here. We're going to make sure it's good spot on. See here the gauge is hooked up here. So he'll be able to monitor the fuel pressure on the inside now. See if anything is changing on higher RPM or if it's dropping off or is there any issue with the fueling. He's gonna know straight away. Right guys, a little bit of bummer. We had to basically stop there as we encountered some issues. Carlos wasn't happy with while tuning the car. So yeah, as a safety precaution, we decided to stop and investigate further. So can you tell us a little bit what went on there?
Oh, basically, as soon as you come into the power on the top, after 4,500, starting to lean out, where prior it was fueling perfectly fine. We checked fuel pressure, checked all settings, calibration, timing, everything double checked again. So that's leading towards injectors, either blockage or something from when he ran out of fuel in the last incident. So yeah, we have to knock out injectors and get it sorted.
I know that's sad. We are really looking forward to this one.
Yeah.
But yeah, it goes like that sometimes, guys, on the dyno. You know, you'll experience and encounter issues. You know, it's just to be on the safe side. We're not here to take risk with the customer's car. So that's why we decided we're going to stop and investigate further. And then once we're happy with everything, we're going to continue again. So yeah, we'll catch Carlos again when we're back tuning this car or the next one. So yeah, thanks Carlos.
Shot, bro.
For keeping it safe.
Always, man. That's my priority.
Alright, so we're gonna stop with this car as mentioned. But yeah, thanks guys for watching. I know we promised we're gonna reveal the power on this car. So just to let you guys know that when we tuned it about 2-3 weeks ago, it made 122 kilowatt on pump fuel, single throttle, and about 197 newton meters of torque. So it's a strong one. So yeah, we're gonna get this car sorted out, and then when it is sorted out, we're gonna put it back on the dyno, just double check it again, and then we're also gonna bring you some different clips on this car. We're gonna do some road driving with it, see how it performs on the road after we tune it and once everything is okay. And yeah, so something different. So if you haven't subscribed, as mentioned to you guys, please do, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Take care.